In this video, I'm going to show you how to download and install apps on your Samsung Smart Television. So the first thing you need to do is just make sure you're connected to the internet on your television. Now, once you are connected to the internet, just go and grab your television remote control. So from our TV remote, we're just going to locate the home button and press it like so. So mine's located right here, but on your remote, it may look slightly different. Now from the home page, we're going to scroll all the way over to the left-hand side, and you'll see we have this option for apps. So go ahead and click OK. Now from the apps page, we can scroll all the way down and you'll see a list of all of these different applications that we can go and install. So you can either just scroll through the different categories here to go and find the application that you want. If there is a specific application that you want to go and download, then use the arrow keys on your remote to head over to the top navigation. Go and click on App Search in the top, and then you can just go and search for the app that you're trying to download. So let's say, for example, we wanted to download the app iTV. I can just go and search for it on my remote control like this and click on search. Now, once you've found the application that you want to download, just select it like so, and then you can press install to go and download this to your television. Now, you will also need to ensure that you're signed in to your Samsung account. So if you haven't already done this, then you can just press sign in, and then you can use one of the options on the screen to go and sign in to your Samsung account. Now, once you've done this and the application is installed, then what you can do is head back over to the apps application. And if we scroll all the way down to the bottom here, you're going to have this section called downloaded apps. And this will show us all of the apps that are currently on our television. Now, what you can do is go and add these apps to your home screen to make it easier the next time you go and launch it. So to do that, just select the app like so, and you're going to hold down on this OK button. And if you keep holding it down, it will say here, add to home. And I can just click on this like so. And once it's been added to your home screen, you can then just click on the home symbol on your TV remote. And it should now appear in this apps list at the bottom. So it's really as simple as that, guys. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments and I'll see you in the next one.